Enjoy the forest.
Angelito Trail is a short drive from Liquilo. It's easy to find on Google Maps. Uber services is not recommended because the cell service does not work well in the mountains and they prefer not going there. So you might as well rent a car and go there by yourself.
Go closer.
Some people complain about the water temperature over there. Of course it's cooler than the ocean, but if you're a northerner like us, it's not that cold. I'd say it's probably in the low 70s, maybe even mid 70s at that point.
Oye, pasó. Fish, fish. Oh! A lot of fishes. Oh!
Lots of people seem to come down and only spend a few minutes or they don't bring their bathing suits with them. We would recommend bringing your bathing suit and spend a whole day there. We went there twice during our vacation stay and we brought our lunch so we'd be able to spend a whole day in the area.
It's actually worse than
Whoa, some big rocks. Yeah, some big rocks.
Just a short walk from Angelito Trail, there's another area where you can enjoy the water, and it's under a bridge. People in the area drive very fast, so while you're walking on the side of the road, keep an eye out for cars passing by. We simply love spending the day at the creek there up in the mountains in the Yunque Rain Forest. But an important thing is to check the weather out before you go there. If it often rains and it can get quite dangerous if there's a big downpour while you're in the area.